Hello everyone! Today, we're excited to introduce our custom-made inflatable pool cover, designed exclusively for a client in North America. First, you'll notice the buckles, which can be used to secure sandbags for extra stability. This is the inflation or deflation port. And this is the water filling port. We use it to add water for stabilization. The maximum pressure rating for this enclosure is 1.0 psi, with a pressure gauge included for real-time monitoring to ensure safe operation. Finally, this is the drainage outlet, which removes water from inside the enclosure. The entrance features a special thermal and dust-resistant design that keeps warm air inside and prevents outside debris from entering. What you see now is the main entry point of the inflatable pool enclosure, where the curtain can be easily rolled up and secured for convenient access. Inside the enclosure, we've added extra inflation ports for quick and easy setup. The integrated D-rings are perfect for hanging string lights or other accessories, letting you customize the space for any occasion. Here, we have a screen-style vent that can be opened from the outside, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping insects and debris out. Plus, there's an additional window nearby to enhance ventilation even further. It's important to note that the spacing of our support air tubes is scientifically calculated to ensure maximum structural stability and safety. The entire enclosure is built with durable materials. And we've even equipped the door with a yick zipper, known for its smooth operation and long-lasting performance, so you can count on reliability every time.